finally here. Boom. Today was my day off, so I spent it like the entirety of my day inside my room, and I didn't even know that this thing showed up at my doorstep. So I finally decided to crawl out of my cave and like go look for food, and then lo and behold, this little package showed up. This is my CNT Racing version 2 unlinkable length headers for my BRZ. Originally I was gonna get the Thoungsai headers, but like your boy didn't have like $675 something. So I opted out for these, and they're like, from what I've seen and from what I've heard about these, they're pretty bang for your buck, you know, especially if you're not trying to spend like well over $500, you know. I got these for around like $360, and I ordered them a couple of days ago and I got them today. So as far as shipping goes, like I'm pretty impressed that it showed up in a couple of days, you know, for free shipping. Well, yeah, let's just get into it. It comes in this nice little box. I know I said I'm not an unboxing channel, but I've been doing a lot of unboxing stuff. The box is in pretty, I don't want to say decent, it's pretty shitty condition, but like I don't really care about the box so long as whatever's inside is okay. So let's open it up. Alright, so I got those little strap-ons off. That's what she said. You know, surprisingly, I anticipated this box to be a whole lot heavier than what it really is. So it's actually really light. Like it kind of feels like nothing's in there, and it kind of feels like I got scammed. But I can hear shit in there, so like, I'm hoping I'm not getting scammed. Look at this. Not a whole lot of protection going on, but like, I mean, I paid $360 for this, so whatever. Got a little note. Please note, this header system requires... I guess I didn't get any new gaskets. Fuck my... I totally forgot to order those. Well, I guess I gotta go to Subie and just get new ones then. And like I said, like these aren't the most expensive options out there. Like I totally could have saved up and got some Thoungsais, but like I said, from what I've heard and from what I've seen, these seem to be the best bang for your buck if you're not trying to blow your budget of $200, you know what I mean? I spent $360 something on this, free shipping. Quality looks really good as far as I can tell. See, the finish on this looks pretty nice. I mean, they're like, look right there. There are a few little scuffs, but like I can forgive that. I'm not, like I said, I didn't pay $600 for these. It also includes a little baggie of hardware. I'm assuming this is for whatever. So yeah, the CNT version 2 unequal length headers for my BRZ. I mean, build quality, I would say it looks pretty decent. I'm not pissed at it. And those are close-ups of the welds for you welders out there who are concerned. I'm gonna wait till I can get my hands on some proper tools so I can actually get this up. Yeah, this is gonna be it for this part of the video. I will see you in the next part of the video in like 2 seconds. So like 1, 2. Holy fucking shit. I swear to God, the camera never does it any justice. It is so fucking loud. I love it. Rip my neighbors. But holy shit, man, I'm so in love with the headers. Installment was pretty hard because we had problems with some nuts. I'm sorry I didn't film that. It's been on YouTube, or this exact install has been around YouTube for the past 5 years, whatever. So you can find a better, more detailed video than you would find on my channel, so that's why I didn't record it. I just recorded the sounds. My personal first impression review, I love it. It is so loud. It is crazy loud, actually. It was louder than I expected. I thought it was just gonna change the tone, but I was fucking wrong, and I have never been so happy to be wrong in my life. I don't know if you can hear that, like, residual rumble. But like, I have the Subie rumble now, and I'm like so happy, so happy. Now, if you guys like that sound, I will tell you the setup that I have for the car. So I just have the unequal length headers. I have a regular stock over pipe, a regular stock front pipe, and then I have an axle back, muffler delete. Sorry. Other than that, that's literally it. That's all I did. If you want to know how much it costs me, I mean, it'll vary, but I basically spent around $420 in total for the exhaust I have now, the setup, because I got the axle back for a really good deal. And then obviously the CNT headers are very greatly priced for what they are. Great quality, great fucking sound. I love it. Other than that, I mean, I couldn't be any happier. I'll probably do a little bit more sound clips, let y'all know what it sounds like. Other than that, enjoy the rest of the video. I love you. Peace. Remember to like, comment, and
suck my ass.